Okay, hello everybody. My name is Drew Hagan, and I will be the host for this Kubernetes 135 release team meeting. Today is Monday, December 8th, and we are in week 13 of the release cycle. Please be aware this is a Kubernetes community meeting, which falls under the Kubernetes Code of Conduct, which could be summarized as please be excellent to one another. Uh, this meeting is recorded, will be publicly posted to YouTube, so please be mindful that what you say is being recorded. All right, let's go to the open discussion items. Are there any conversations that we want to have in open discussion? Okay, moving on to the sub-team updates, starting with enhancements. Do we have a team member on behalf of enhancements today? Okay, the enhancements update is green. Not much to update, pretty late in the cycle for enhancements. Most of their work is done. Um, any questions or comments for enhancements? All right, moving on to release signal.
I can give that today. It looks like we're yellow. We got two failing tests that are considered non-blockers, so not blocking us, but one flaking test from SIG for the pod certificates cap. It's going from alpha to beta. That is considered a blocker. There's something going on, I forget off the top of my head, that shouldn't happen in the kind of the happy path that's causing that flake, from what I understood of the chat message when I read it. So yellow, and we should be a no-go for cutting a release tomorrow unless that's fixed.
Okay, I will keep that in mind. See if we can follow up on that. Um, any questions, comments, or concerns for release signal? Okay, moving on to docs.
Hi there. Not a lot on dock side, as the current status is green. Last week's branch sync PR has been merged, and the version 1.35 RCEO release no PR is now available and is under review. That should be it for docs.
All right, yeah, thanks for that update from docs. Any questions for docs? All right, moving on to comms.
Hello everyone, our status is green. We are actually working on two main tasks. The first one is the release announcement blog post, which we finished the draft today, and I'm going to open to update the content into the PR for the SIG reviews and reviewing the feature blocks. We actually closed 7 feature blocks out of 13, and we are reviewing the remaining 6. About the communication with the CNCF, I opened the email thread with the CNCF for the webinar, but we didn't get any answer till now, and I'll send PR email later today. That's all for us.
All right, thanks, comms. Any questions for comms? Okay, moving forward to release branch management. Do we have someone from release branch management on the call? Doesn't look like we do, so I'll read their update. The status is green. We completed the first release cut 0. And after a lot of hurdles, we have the test grid jobs up and running as well, which is great. And the second release cut is on track for Tuesday. And I believe SRIRAM is going to be cutting that. But a lot of other shadows are available. as well. So Angelo says they will continue to work on improving the docs and run books. But as things are, they'll probably run into the same troubles next release. So they're working to enhance their process, making it easier to follow and validate. Are there any questions for release branch management? I can try my best to answer them. Okay. So it looks like Kat doesn't have an update for us. On behalf of the release lead team, we are closely watching the no-go status and the release cut due tomorrow. So I'll be following up on some of the things we have open for release signal there. We're preparing for the release next Wednesday in any ways necessary. So please reach out if you have any concerns or questions or things in your handbook that you need to touch base with me about concerning the release next week. And then I'm planning to have the release name and logo revealed this Wednesday and the write-up finished. So I'll be really excited to show y'all the logo on Wednesday. Any questions for me? All right. So then lastly, SIG scalability, I'm going to assume is green. Are there any final things we want to bring up before ending the recording? All right. Want to thank y'all for joining today. And if you're on YouTube, thank you for tuning in.